Have you ever felt broken and useless? This old pot did too. In a quiet village surrounded by golden fields, there lived an old farmer named Ravi. He wasn't rich, but he had a kind heart. One day, while digging his field, he found an old pot, rusty, dented, and seemingly useless. Disappointed, Ravi thought of throwing it away. But just as he was about to, a sudden thought struck him. What if this pot could still be of use? Instead of discarding it, he decided to plant a small sapling inside and place the pot near the village square. Passers-by noticed the little plant growing in the broken pot. Seeing Ravi's effort, one villager brought water every day. Another added soil. A child placed a small flower next to it. Slowly, the pot became a symbol of the village's kindness. Word spread. More people started planting flowers, and soon, the once dull square was blooming with life. The broken pot had inspired an entire village to come together, showing that beauty could grow even from something imperfect. One evening, a curious traveler asked Ravi, "Why did you keep a broken pot?" Ravi smiled and replied, "It may be broken, but it still held life. Just like us, we may have flaws, but we all have something good to give." The village learned a powerful lesson. Positivity is like a small seed. Plant it, nurture it, and watch it grow into something extraordinary.